today I'd like to talk about rosacea. You know, more and more people are suffering from rosacea. I want to present to you two unique products from Nelly De Vuyst. So Nelly De Vuyst has created unique products to treat rosacea. And why is that? Is that their products, the Bio Rosacea Collection, is certified EcoCert Cosmos Organic. That means they are of natural origin ingredient, but these are medical formulas. So they are NPN, they are natural products, but they will treat rosacea because of the ingredient, the colloidal oatmeal that they contain. So I want to talk about this first product, which is the serum. So to apply all over the face. So this serum will soothe inflammatory processes, give back comfort to people suffering from rosacea, calm down the redness. It's just so soothing as you apply. And again, this is a medical formula, but it'll be good for you, but good for the planet. And it is unique to have a formula that is medical, but also certified in natural ingredients and organic. Then they created also the gel. So a gel that also contains the colloidal oatmeal. So we apply on top, and the combination is just incredible to calm down inflammatory process, give back comfort to the skin, desensitize. Amazing combination to treat rosacea. So I invite you to discover these amazing products by Nelly De Vuyst.